Congratulations SB19 Stel, hindi maikakaila na favorite talaga siya ng marami. Umabot na nga po sa 5 billion ang TikTok hashtag views ni SB19 Stel. Ito po ay mula sa post ng widely famed news. Ibinahagi nila at narito po ang naging caption. SB19 Stel has indeed surpassed 5 billion views on his personal TikTok hashtag SB19 Stel. While his overall content and related tags continue to draw massive engagement across the platform. The achievement is a major milestone for the P-pop star for several reasons. Massive organic reach, surpassing 5 billion views highlights the immense global reach of Stel's content and dance trends, cementing his status as one of the most visible creators in the P-pop industry. Solo star power alongside his group's achievements. This milestone underlines the strong individual fan base he has cultivated as a solo performer and artist. Sa patuloy na pagpapaliwanag bakit nga ba umabot ito ng 5 billion views, fandom dedication. The milestone is a testament to the viral power of the 18 fandom who frequently share his live clips, vocal challenges, and funny moments across social media. At kahit nga may kanya-kanyang bias sa mga fans, ay iba sila pag nag-solid. Kahit may kanya-kanya silang paborito, parang sa isang magulang siguro may isang paborito, pero mahal nila ang lahat. Kaya naman, solid na solid talaga ang fanbase ng SB19. Dahil kahit na may mga favorite ito, pagdating sa 5, ay solid sila at mahal nila ang 5 bano. Sa comment section, ito po ang ating mababasa. Say ng mga fans or mga Stelvery, not only a good performer, good entertainer as well, kaya daming casuals na nahahatak ni Stel. Hindi lang kasi siya magaling kumanta at sumayaw, ang galing din magpatawa. He is a natural comedian. Wow Stel, dagdag achievement na naman. Go high pa kasama mga brothers mo SB19 around the world. Wow, Bebu! Congrats, galing-galing mo, the best ka. Well deserved. Congratulations, Stel Ahero. You're an infectious sunshine. You are everybody's happy pill. Don't you worry, you don't have to perform for our happiness. We love you otherwise. We love your mind-blowing talents, positive personality, savage wit, even your landy hahaha. Just continue being you. Congratulations, Stel. Deserve mo yan. We love you. Well, ano po ang masasabi ng mga Stelberry dyan at ng 18? Ilagay lamang po ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section dahil yan po ay mahalaga sa amin. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Showbiz Now.